see your face. I've missed so much. Tell me what's going on. When we're together, we share. Right back to where we belong. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. We're right back to where we belong. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. You light the room, change my point of view. When I'm feeling blue, you know just what to do. It's like a holiday.
Happy birthday, Hope. Ang bilis ng panahon, isang taon na agad. Could still remember when you were first born and ang cute-cute mo. Lumiliwanag ka nung una kitang nakita.
Cause you know that we're right back to where we belong. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. You light the room, change my point of view.
Sana maging masaya si Hopi, gayon na rin ang mga lahat ng bisita. Sana maging malusog, matalino, siyempre maganda, kagaya ni Lola. I love you, Hopi, very, very much.
Cause you know that we're right back to where we belong. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. We're right back to where we belong. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. We're right back to where we belong. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
Happy birthday, Hope! Wish ko lang sa'yo, lumaki kang malusog, matalino, at mapagmahal, at higit sa lahat, may takot sa Diyos. At pangarap ko sa'yo, lahat ng pangarap mo pagdating ng araw ay matupad mo paglaki mo. I love you always, Oma. Love you!
Hi, Hopi! Happy first birthday! Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako kay God kasi binigay ka niya sa amin. Masayang-masaya ako ngayong araw na to. Sana after pag lumaki ka, maalala mo siya or mapanood mo siya someday. Sana lumaki kang mabait na bata, may takot sa Diyos, at saka mapagmahal, at may respeto sa kapwa. Matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Lagi lang kami nakasuporta sa likod mo ng daddy mo. Yan. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
That's where your heart is, and that's where you'll stay. Oh, forever and always, forever and always. I'm one call away. Oh, forever and always, forever and always. That's where you'll stay.
Masayang-masaya kami kasi malusog ka, napakabait at masunurin sa amin. Wish ko lang sa birthday mo is maging malusog ka pa rin, masunurin sa magulang, and siyempre may takot sa Diyos. Susuportahan kita sa lahat ng bagay, sa makakasaya sa'yo, pero yung hindi makakasama sa'yo. Excited na talaga ako na lumaki ka, makasama kang maglakad, maglaro ng iba't ibang mga bata. Happy birthday! I love you, Hope!